In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw cash from Coinbase to your bank. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your money from Coinbase to your bank account quickly and confidently. First, open the Coinbase app or website and log into your account. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that you recognize the device you're using. If you use two-factor authentication, have your code ready so you can get in without delays. Next, head to your portfolio. Here you'll see your balances. Select either the cryptocurrency you plan to cash out from or your USD balance if you already have cash available. Choosing the correct balance ensures Coinbase shows the right options for withdrawing to your bank. Now tap Cash Out or Withdraw. This is the action that starts the cash withdrawal process. Coinbase will guide you through a simple flow where you'll choose where the funds should go and how fast you want them to arrive. Choose your bank account as the destination. It should already be linked and verified from before. Take a second to confirm it's the right account, especially if you have more than one on file. Quick note, if you need the app or you prefer the website, I've placed the official Coinbase download and site link right at the top of the description so you can access it safely. When you see the speed options, select Fast Transfer for instant withdrawal. This is the quickest method and typically lands in your bank within minutes, depending on your bank's processing. Keep in mind that fees and limits may apply, so it's worth noting what Coinbase displays on screen. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, double-check the number for accuracy, and make sure you have enough available balance after any fees. If you're moving a larger amount, verify that it's within your daily or weekly limits to avoid any hiccups. Before you finalize, confirm the withdrawal details. Review the destination bank, the transfer speed, the amount, and any fees or estimated arrival times. This is your moment to catch typos or pick the wrong account before anything goes out. Complete any security verification. That could be your PIN, two-factor authentication, or an email confirmation. Never share these codes with anyone, and only enter them inside Coinbase itself. Finally, wait for the funds. With fast transfer, you'll usually see the money in minutes, though timing can vary by bank. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn cash from Coinbase to your bank. If this helped, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.